Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shutdown. I'm Gray Shutdown on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another aerial perspective full self-driving video. This time of Tesla's full self-driving 11.4.7 software stack.
All right, here we go. Should have engaged it there. Not bad. Engaged it here.
It's alright, I like how you took the turn better.
I know, well, that was part of the reason why I did. It's like, I don't want to.
FSD's been cutting that turn. You notice how Doggone Sci-Fi manually drove that turn and didn't cut the line as much as the software stack does.
I don't mind a little, but sometimes I'm like, you're going to throw me in the ditch.
Yeah, it's sometimes uncomfortably close. Or it's uncomfortably too far over. That's why this footage was so bumpy through here, is because the road's bumpy.
Yes.
I was like, why was I so jerky on the sticks through here the other day?
You can see where they... Are we going to slow down? All right, Sorry, it was not slowing.
Not slowing down, not selecting the right lane. No. We'll be manually driving through this roundabout.
I can give it a try if you want. Oh, shit. Go, car, go. All right, here we go. Yeah, because you need this lane to be able to go this way.
Yep.
And it doesn't.
And it usually doesn't select the right lane. It usually selects the left lane. Are we making a left here?
We should be, yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Crossing over the double yellow. Okay. Okay, slow down. If you're gonna go... Okay. Sorry, I did not like that. There we go. It does that where it like hesitates and then you lose that opportunity because then you know it's going to go too slow through the turn. Like,
I'm not surprised. It's been having a rough day.
It has been having a rough day.
I'm just not surprised at this point.
Like, good God.
It's interesting because I was noticing in the conversation of this build on X, some people have had amazing drives, which, to be truthful, I have. Like, leading up until today.
We had a great drive yesterday.
I've been having great drives. It's like, oh my God, I should just keep filming it.
Right? We had a great drive yesterday.
But then others on X were commenting that it just has not been performing well for them. So I feel the pain.
Yeah. And then it does stuff like it's doing today, where it makes you, then the problem is then you doubt it because it's having such a rough day.
Yes.
And then you do stuff like, where you're like, well, I guess I could engage, but, you know, like.
Could the guy behind us get any closer?
I was thinking that too. I'm going the speed limit.
I know you're.
He's probably thinking to himself, she's not from here.
Either that or he was trying to decipher what the license plate meant.
Maybe.
Well, we hit the hill. Oh, maybe he was.
Yeah, he had to get the running start up the hill. I had a truck like that once. That you needed that extra oomph to get up the hill.
I like how we both had that light bulb moment at the same time.
Well, you get so used to being in an electric car where you're like...
It pulls hills. It just maintains its speed perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's pretty funny.
All right, we got like 2 blocks, so we're taking the left.
Okay.
Yeah, because here he goes again.
Yeah.
That's exactly what's happening. All we are taking the next left on Bermuda. I know that's not how you really say it. People in the comments don't roast me too bad, but that's how I say it. All right, there we go. Good turn. We got power line. We're pretty
I
good.
got him.
These are tall trees. Are you gonna make it to the country market hill?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then I'm
77.
gonna delete this. See, and that is the
Yeah,
cut,
see
and we're
how-
talking
look
about
how
your
it's-
glass, so I'm gonna take it.
Look how it's basically cutting over here.
Here we go.
No one in this area does this. We all make this nice wide turn like this and then make a turn. That's how we do it.
Well, because there's glass. I was like, I
Yeah.
don't want to run over the glass.
There's crap in that side of the road. That's why we never do that here. I think version 12 is going to be interesting though, because remember they say that it's going to learn from humans as far as like how we drive.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to see if they blend in some of that.
Some of those behaviors. We were
Yeah.
like, I don't need to cut the corner.
I don't need to cut the corner. There's nobody around us. This is a very rural area, you know?
Yeah. Took me a second to recognize where we were. I was like, oh yeah, now I know. Sorry about that.
No, that's right. I was like, why am I so turned around? Oh, that's why. There are people that do like that. That like just north up on their map the whole time. I just like it to follow the.
Sometimes when I'm getting my bearings, I like the north up.
Yes.
I know. Oh, okay. All right, you got these?
Yeah.
All right, coming up on a left. See if it does the panther.
Where
That's what
it
I've
just
been
like
calling it.
juts out.
But we saw a truck, like a human driver doing that the other day. Okay, I cannot see. Okay, there's a car coming, so we're gonna go. Go. There you go. Did not do anything. So
Made a good decision though.
it did. It did again. It makes you doubt though when you're having days like this of is it gonna
Is it gonna do it?
do it? Is it gonna just die in the middle of the turn? Like it did in that roundabout earlier today.
Yeah.
Is it gonna fly into the roundabout? Doing good?
61. Doing just fine.
Remember, worst case scenario, I'll meet you over there.
Oh, for sure.
All right, does it cut the corner? I'm going yes.
I'm going with 100% yes.
Yeah, it started really. Oh, it fixed itself. Fixing it. Good job. There's motorcyclists. Do not go. Okay, motorcyclist is turning, so we can go. Did not do a thing. Whee!
This is where we go this way.
Power lines.
Right, curly left. Got those. Yeah, we got a slow car today. That helps.
I know.
Perfect.
And it's not me.
I know.
Oh, they're turning. Doing 45.
Perfect.
It did not cut the corner back there.
No, I mean, to be fair, it had more paved road on the corner, though,
Yeah.
than on some of our turns that we've got. Like, it wasn't as much dirt.
Mm.
Well, you guys, thanks again for tuning in. I am Gray Shot Down on the 6 alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm. And we'll see you again in another one.
Busy day at the country mercantile.
Sunday, everybody's grocery shopping, probably.
Ah, yeah. Ooh, it is almost caramel apple season, and I will come here to get a caramel apple. Not today.